चलिए आज हम लोग एक सीरीज मैग्नेटिक सर्किट पे एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व करके देखते हैं। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन क्या दिया हुआ है। ए रिंग कंपोज्ड ऑफ 3 सेक्शंस, द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया इज 0.001 मीटर स्क्वायर फॉर ईच सेक्शन, द मीन लेंथ आर LA is equal to 0.3 meter, LB is equal to 0.2 meter, LC is equal to 0.1 meter. Air gap length of 0.1 mm is cut in the ring. The relative permeability for sections are: for section A 5000, for section B 1000, for section C 10,000. Flux is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber in the section. Find MMF, reluctance in each section, and total current in 100 turns coil. If coil of 100 turn is wound in this, then we have to find the current in that. ठीक है, that means N is equal to 100 is given and we have to find current. We have to find MMF and we have to find reluctance in each section. So what is given in this question, we will summarize. It is a ring, so we have drawn a ring. It is composed of 3 sections, so this is 3 sections. This is section A, this is section B, and this is section C. So A, B, C sections. Okay, cross sectional area is same everywhere. Okay, the cross sectional area is 0.001 meter square for each section. The mean length for each section is given. LA, LB, LC is given. Okay, and the relative permeabilities for each sections are given for A, B and C each section, and finally the flux is also given. Okay, so we are writing the datas which are given. Okay, so the datas which are given we are writing here. What are the datas given? Okay, so A is equal to 0.001 meter square. It is everywhere same for part A, B, C. Everywhere A is same. Okay, the lengths are LA is equal to 0.3 meter, LB is equal to 0.2 meter, LC is equal to 0.1 meter. It is given, and air gap length is equal to 0.1 mm. Okay, so all these are given in meters and this is given in millimeter, so we will convert it into meter. So it is LG is equal to 0.1 mm, that is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters. Okay, so these are the datas which are given. One more data given which is about the relative permeabilities for A, B and C. So relative permeabilities for A, B and C are given, that is mu A is equal to 5000, mu B is equal to 1000 and mu C is equal to 10,000. Also the flux is equal to 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 Weber given. Turns is 100. Okay, we have to find MMF, reluctance and current. Okay, so now start this question. These are the data given. So how we can find? It is very simple problem. It has 3 sections of iron and 1 section of air gap. So first of all find for air gap reluctance. Okay, reluctance for air gap formula is Lg upon mu 0 mu r A. Okay, so Lg, what is Lg? Lg is given 0.1 mm, so 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Mu 0, we know mu 0 as 4.10 to the power minus 7. Mu r, so mu r for air is 1. We know that for air mu r is equal to 1. Okay, so we have taken this mu r as 1. Now area is same everywhere. It is given in the question. Area is 0.001 meter square. Okay, so we are putting 0.001 meter square here. Now calculate this using calculator. We are having the calculator, and now calculating we will get, it is coming as 79577.47 ampere turn per Weber. So this is S for air gap. I am putting G for gap. Okay. So this is for air gap. Now for section A, calculate SA. So formula will be LA on mu 0 mu r A. What is LA? LA is given in the question, 0.3 meter. Substitute 0.3 meter divided by mu 0. We know mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Mu r for A, it is 5000. So we are substituting here 5000 multiplied by A. Area is given everywhere same, 0.001 meter. So we are substituting area as multiplied by 0.001. So we will get, by computing this using calculator, we are getting SA as 4774.6.48 ampere turn per Weber. So this will be our reluctance for section A. Now same thing we will calculate for section B. So it is very simple problem. If we know the formula of reluctance, that is L upon mu 0 mu r A, we can calculate reluctance for each section. Just substitute the values which are given. So mu 0 mu r A. For length for section B, it is given 0.2. Okay, mu 0, we know mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. We know mu r for section B is 1000, and area is same everywhere, it is this. So substituting all these values, we can calculate SB also. So using calculator we can calculate SB also. And what is SB? It is 159,154 ampere turn per Weber. So in this way we can calculate SB reluctance for. Now we can calculate for section C. So for section C, same method, same formula. There is nothing new. It will be LC upon mu 0 mu r A. Substitute the values. LC is 0.1, mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Mu r for C is given as 10,000 and area is 0.001. Calculate it and put this C. Okay. So for SC, it is coming out to be 795.7.74 ampere turn per Weber. So in this way, by using the formula S is equal to L upon mu 0 mu r A, we can calculate S for air gap, S for A, S for B, and S for C in similar manner. Same formula, same method. Okay. So in this way, we had calculated the value of reluctance for each section. So total reluctance, it is SG plus SA plus SB plus SC. Just add. Okay. Just add all the reluctances and we can get total. We can calculate total reluctance. So what will be the total reluctance? By adding all the reluctances, we will get 2944 35.69 ampere turn per Weber. It will be our total reluctance. In this method, we can calculate total reluctance. Now, so this is our question. We have to find MMF, reluctance, and current. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the MMF. So what is the formula for MMF? MMF is equal to Ni is equal to phi S. So what will be our Ni? It is phi s. Phi is given in the question, and the value of phi is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by s. We had just calculated the value of total as 294,435.69. So substituting this, we will get MMF is equal to Ni is equal to, by multiplying these two, we will get 220.8 ampere turn. So this is our total MMF required to produce this much flux. Okay, so by calculating MMF, now we can proceed to the next part, and it is asked to find current in 100 turn coil. So if the number of turns is equal to 100 and it is asked to find current, okay, so how we can find? We know that Ni is equal to this much, so we can find I. So Ni is equal to 220.8. So I will be 220.8 divided by N. That is 220.8 divided by N is 100. So I will be 2.208 ampere. So in this way the question can be solved. It is very simple problem of a series magnetic circuit. It is composed of 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 sections. Okay, 4 sections of different, 3 sections of different material and 1 section of air gap. Okay, so the question is completely solved. Thank you.